guys, we are here in beautiful Portugal and we want to go explore the town a little bit today.
Yeah guys, we're staying here in Albufeira.
Ooh, that was a nice little...
Oh my gosh. Staying here in Albufeira, we literally have walked maybe 30 seconds from our Airbnb just down the road. We've got Old Town Albufeira right behind us, which is honestly what we really want to explore. We also have the beach right in front of us, which we have explored a lot already and we'll do so more.
In other words, I don't think we could be staying in a more perfect location.
So we're gonna go on a little tour of the town here, see what we find, maybe some pastries.
We're definitely looking for some pastries, for some ice cream, a little town tour, a little wander the streets and get lost, a little whatever.
All the beautiful streets, all the beautiful buildings coming at you right now.
Here. It is so beautiful. I think you all should know I'm a big hat gal. And as you can see, I'm having to hold my hat because this hat is a little bit bigger. So there's a lot of surface area and a little breeze comes and we've got liftoff. Like I feel like it could take me away sometimes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I have to go super wide to get your hat in.
But I can't not have a hat, mostly because I hate doing my hair, and secondly because I just like hats. I actually carried this hat through Africa, through Iceland. If you've seen the big like bag hooked by a carabiner on the side of my backpack, it was my two hats. Because I can't go anywhere without my hats. I'm a big hat person. So I'm wearing the hat, but we got a little bit of a breeze today, so it comes off, but that's okay. She's worth it. She's worth it.
One thing we love about these European cities is they have such rich history. Even here, Albufeira, it dates back like thousands of years. They even have remnants of old castle walls still here in the old town center of the city. It's pretty dang awesome.
Parts of Old Town Albufeira here, and one is kind of like down below where all the bars and the restaurants and clubs and lots of like loud shops, people hang out down there, and then you come up to this upper level that is just like quiet and absolutely gorgeous, and there's like no one here. I mean, look. We're on like these beautiful streets, just roaming these gorgeous streets, and we're totally alone. I feel like these are maybe a lot of like Airbnbs, maybe a few permanent residents here, but it literally makes you feel like you're not even in the same town because we're completely removed from all that hustle and bustle down there, up in these calming, beautiful streets.
Is this your home?
Yeah, we moved Airbnbs. This is our new one, guys.
Oh, wow.
No, it's not, and I definitely hear people inside, and my camera just hit the door, so we should probably go because they're...
Okay.
All right, and just like that, we're back to the main part of the city, and we're gonna go find something to eat.
Alright guys, my brother used to live in Portugal, and he said when we came here we had to get pastel de nata, which is like a custard tart. And so we're seeing them everywhere on the streets. We're gonna grab this one and try it out. This is for you, Sean.
You want cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Here we go. That's delicious. That's so good. Good crunch on it. He put cinnamon on top, the custard filling inside. Wanna try this sucker?
Yeah, that's actually really good. I'm not normally a custardy person, but this is like really good. I'm kind of thinking maybe we should have gotten two.
We could know. Try another store.
Okay. We have seriously been craving some Mexican food, so we decided we wanted to see how the Portuguese do Mexican. We found this place. You guys, it's called Mi Sombrero. Hello. We had to come here.
Shell in her sombrero.
I'm not sure I've ever actually ordered enchiladas in my life. I'm pretty much a fajita girl through and through. But there was so much hype around these enchiladas written on the menu that I was like, well, I guess I just have to try it. So it's 3 different ones. Beef, chicken, I don't know what that third one is. It looks like beef again. Rice and beans, and Daniel got a nice beef burrito. First bite, burrito.
Portuguese can do Mexican. It's got some heat to it. I love the spice. And it's beautiful.
I know, it is
very
really pretty.
well presented.
Thank you. You okay? Obviously, I had to get some gelato after lunch, and it's so good. Coconut and brownie. Feel great about this.
Alright guys, Old Town has been awesome. Shelley's snacking on her little gelato. It's kind of crazy guys, the Old Town is all built up on like this wall. So everything around it is a lot lower than actual Old Town. So we're going back up the stairs. There's a lot of hills here right around the Old Town area. We do have some plans for later today. We want to see some other things down on the coast because this coastline is beautiful. If you missed yesterday's video, make sure you go back and watch it because we see a lot of the coast here in the Algarve. And there is still yet more that we have to see before we go. Found you. Almost gone.
It's so good. I want to go get another one. This was too small. We were supposed to share this one.
I want some of that chocolate underneath.
I had to lick the chocolate first. It was dripping. Okay, we're gonna take this puppy for a little cruise down the coast and see what we find.
Rode the scooter out to the beautiful town behind me. This is a hard one. Cavoeiro.
I think you nailed it.
Pretty sure that's what it's called.
In my opinion, you nailed it.
Thank you. This is the best, guys. The best. Look at that beach down there. Look at the town across there. These cliff sides with the towns built onto them are just beautiful, guys. And the sun is setting out that way, as you can see. It just makes for like the perfect lookout point. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but it's actually pretty clear right now. You can see Sagres way out there, cool little surfer town, kind of right in the corner of Portugal. And then you can see Lagos out that way. I mean, you can't really see it, but you can kind of see the land out there. It is pretty clear today. This is awesome.
The sunset with the ocean over a beautiful European city just doesn't get much better, you guys. This is so beautiful. It feels so good to just come here and take a breath for a minute and take in the beauty of this coastline. Next to this beautiful town that I can't really pronounce the name of, I apologize.
You gotta try.
Cavoeiro.
Ding, ding, ding.
Cavoeiro is Algar Seco. We lost a flip-flop. I'm dying. And they have this beautiful boardwalk that they have built where you can just walk all along the water here. There's these beautiful cliffs and rocks down here that we want to go check out. That's where we're headed next.
Guys, this is all like carved out of the mountainside. Like everything. Hi, Shell.
Hi.
The stairs, the tunnels, it's all carved out of the rock. And it may be a little treacherous in some places. Like down that way. Okay, safe zone. This is very cool, guys. This is Algar Seco, and I was not expecting this, honestly. This is really, really awesome. The sun's about to set back that way.
Okay, legend has it that long ago there was a beautiful princess here who fell in love with a kohler, also known as Cavoeiro, aka the name of the city that we were just at. They fell in love, but her father disapproved of their relationship, and so they would meet here at Algar Seco for little secret rendezvous. So I feel like this should be our secret rendezvous point.
All right. got back on the scooty here. Shell sits on the back there and she holds her phone and she maps us the entire way. She's my little like Alexa, just giving me directions in my ear about where to go.
Google Map.
It's great. She's so good at it. But guys, I think every time we have come back here, here's our Airbnb just right behind us. Every time we have come back here, I swear it's been a different route. I don't understand
It really
why.
has. I don't get it. We go out to where we're going on similar roads, and then every time we drive back, it's like a totally different route. But I'm not complaining because we get to see different areas and different roads.
On our way back today, completely different. It's like, okay, whatever, Google. I just trust you, and you know what? It's been
Whatever,
great.
Michelle. Maybe it's just me. I'm not paying attention. We're missing turns, and I'm like, oops, sorry, yeah, nope. It's taking us on a weird route.
I know, I'll be kind of familiar with the route. I'm like, are you sure? Turn right here? And it's like, oh well, it gets us here.
I was doing my best to video and give directions and not fall off the back of this scooter.
I
I'm
know,
very
just-
used to
Nope.
having a sissy bar on a motorcycle, but on the scooters you don't have that. And I'm wearing Daniel's backpack, so I'm kind of like already
She's pretty
a
loaded.
little top heavy. But as I was videoing, as we were pulling into town up to our Airbnb, and these cute kids were sprinting as fast as they could behind us because I had the GoPro video.
They're trying to get in the shot.
And they were trying to get in the shot running so fast, and the rocks here are like pretty slippery, I think because all the sand like polishes them and makes them super slippery. And one of the kids slipped on the rocks and it was so funny. All of us started busting up laughing. They were with like a big group of friends. I started busting up laughing, and then they ran up to us after. We met them. They're from Switzerland. If you guys are watching, what up? Thank you for doing a little photo bomb so we could have a funny moment.
Yeah, guys, it's that time of day. We haven't done that yet.
Tourist trolley.
Tourist
That's
train.
literally, oh, tourist train. That's what it's called.
That's a way
Maybe
to
we
see
should
the
do
town.
it.
That's another way to see the town. We have options
That's
here.
a great way. I mean, I would totally hop on the tourist train. I am a tourist.
Right now, I'm gonna hop on the food train because
We're starving.
We're starving. We're gonna go ahead and say goodnight though. Make sure you come back tomorrow. We have something really fun planned for tomorrow, so make sure you come back. We hope you guys are enjoying Portugal, because we sure are. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, everyone.